everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday. It is time for me to do some box challenges, and I wanted to do this box challenge for a while, but I was like, I wanted to do a second box challenge, but I wasn't sure which one to do. Well, while I was rearranging my office, I found this super fun Magic School Would You Rather savings book from Bookish Mama Budgets, and I was like, perfect. So I have $20 that I'm just going to put into that probably every Wednesday for a while. So I'm going to set that to the side. Actually, we're going to do that first and then mystery on what the box challenge is. Okay, so this is Magic School Would You Rather. Make wizard-worthy decisions and watch your savings grow. So we have the instructions here, how to play. Read each Would You Rather question, choose your answer, save the amount listed next to your choice. When you finish, add up all your savings and give yourself a wizard-worthy celebration. So it says saves 85 plus. Okay, let's start with, would you rather be sorted into Gryffindor or be sorted into Slytherin? Well, for sure Gryffindor, because I am a Gryffindor. All right, I didn't even put my money out. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so we're going to take $6 because we are a Gryffindor. Would you have picked Gryffindor over Slytherin? I don't know. I think there are a couple people that might be Slytherin, but yay. Okay, let's do another one. Would you rather play Quidditch or watch the Quidditch World Cup? I'm going to say watch. I'm going to watch the Quidditch World Cup. All right, so we have $7 going into this. Oh, this is so fun. I'm going to count my money, see if we can maybe do one more. I don't know what the questions are, but we have $7. Would you rather ride the Hogwarts Express or fly on a firebolt broomstick? Definitely Hogwarts Express. And no IOU. That's exciting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have $2 that I'm just going to roll over into the box challenge. Yay! So then we are going to be here. Awesome. So I'll do this every Wednesday. And yeah, I didn't even say hi. Well, I did say hi, but cheers, Coke Zero, cheers to everybody. I would love Coke Zero to sponsor me because my desk pets that are here also have their own Coke Zero. Let's bring down Sharkfin Connery. He'll join us. Everyone else is just sitting up top at the table. Okay. All right, so the box challenge I have been wanting to do for a long time is the one from Financial Dreams with Christine. It's the Mythic Savings. I've had this cut up and ready to go for months, like a long time. And I think it's a big one because I've done her other ones, which I absolutely love. So I knew I wanted to get started with this one. And I should have, I think $60. That's a lot of ones. Well, 62 if we count. Yep, $62. So we'll see what we can do here. I'll get my cards out. Okay, so first we have to pick who is going to represent me in this. Oh, I like her. Oh, but she reminds me of Wonder Woman. Oh my God, she's stunning. Oh my goodness. Everybody's so stunning. All right. She reminds me of Wonder Woman. I'm channeling my Wonder Woman vibes. So she will be, let's set her out here. Okay. So our Mythic savings from Christine over at Financial Dreams with Christine. She has amazing box challenges. So table of contents. So we have Zeus all the way down to Hestia, and it saves anywhere from 30, or we have a 15. There's a 55. There's a 55. So it says save 430, but then there's Mythic Minis and Mythic Quests that can add to our savings. So, oops, let's switch this around this way. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to finally be doing this one. I probably have IOUs in here because I always mix in the IOUs by accident. So I'll take a sip of Coke Zero if I pull up an IOU. I feel like I should move that out of the camera shot. Okay. So our first card. Ooh, okay, so we're going to look for this symbol. I think. Dionysius. Ooh, $11 for the leopard skin. So that one is done. Actually, I think I'm going to get this little guy out. So I have a little section that I marked done right there. So I will put that there. Okay, so let's mark off this. Let's use my navy. You know, this is from, I have these, I think, in almost every video from Cecilia at Creationsbymuneca, and I've been using them for, I don't know, a long time, a couple weeks now. Just now noticing that there's a little bling at the top of the pen. Love that. Okay, so leopard skin. So we have 10 and 11. All right, we'll put that back in there. Okay, next card. Whoops. Oh, I probably didn't shuffle this very well. $12 goblet. Of course, we're on the $50 to $5 one. Okay, so that's that. So $12. 10, 11, and 12. I will cut the deck. Different section. All right, we are at a different section. Owl. So let's go back to the front. We're going to look for this little symbol. I love how she does that. Makes it easy to find. Hades. Ooh, okay. $7 for a screech owl. Just putting it in here. Okay. Have you ever heard a screech owl? I think I have. Babe, have I heard of it? Have I heard a screech owl before?
I don't know, but it sounds like a lady screaming like she's being murdered.
I think I have. Because I thought it was that or a cat fighting. But okay. Babe's in the office while I'm filming this, so. Say hi to your fans.
Hi.
All right, $7 for the screech owl. Okay, so we're doing okay. Yeah, definitely need to shuffle a little bit. Okay, so this is the pomegranate right on this Hades again. So we are done with that card, and then I take $6. We will add it to this. So I'm going to cut the deck again. I'm going to take a card from down here. One card, yeah. Oh, a dolphin. That was Babe's phone. And I have to do that every time I hear it. So there's the dolphin, Poseidon, of course. And again, it matches the little thing. So we're done with that one. The dolphin is $8. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I'm playing this. Christine, I love this one. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I'm going to scoot to the back. Let's take a peek at, let's see. I think these are some of the minis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Maybe next time I'll roll a 10-sided die and mark some of these off. I'll probably do like $2 a square or something. Okay. Well, let me get a 10-sided die. We'll do that now. This is 10. Nope, that's 8. Okay, so we'll do a 10-sided die. We got 8, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The Labors of Hercules. Heracles. Hercules. Hercules. Is that Hercules? Or is that Heracles? That's different.
I believe it's Hercules. H-E-R-C-U-L-E-S.
Heracles. Google Heracles.
Oh, I didn't look at the name of the song. I thought it was just an image.
Oh, no. Sorry.
Hercules is the Roman equivalent of the Greek hero Heracles. So
this is Heracles. Okay.
Heracles.
Okay.
Roman Hercules.
Okay. Okay. You heard it here, folks. It's Labors of Heracles. All right. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to do, I'll do one box. We'll just do the Cerberus, a 3-headed dog. And I'll just put it in the back. Okay, so we did a little bit of the minis. I don't know if we have enough for a quest. Maybe take a peek at quest 1. Nope, we'll start with quest because the first one is roll a d20. Okay, so we'll do another card. I'm just going to mix up a little bit. Okay. That reminds me of, what is that, olives? Athena. Olives, $7. So that one is done. So we have 5, 6, and 7. Oh my God, if anyone was in my live and I was kind of making fun of The Office, that was the helmet that we got in Greece. It's still sitting up there. That's hilarious. I was it was in the view and I was kind of pointing at it and it's right here. For For Athena. Okay, but I got olives, so. Because I had to drag that through the airport.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, $7 in Athena. You have $9. I'm going to risk it. I'm going to go for it. Did I? Oh, I did the wrong one. Okay, well that's, I don't know why I thought, oh, I looked at that and thought olives, but it was actually Parthenon, which we went to the Parthenon.
Yes.
Okay, so I paid $7 for the olives. Now I'm going to pay $6 for the Parthenon. And that will leave $3. And that one's done. 5 and 6. Okay, so I can go back to maybe I'll make some of these 1s and some of these 2s. That way I can use it as a rollover. 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll save 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll save 4. We'll save 10. Save 4. 8. Oops. Probably should have been 4. We'll do that one. That's 4. All right. This will be a nice way to do a catch-all. Okay, so that will be, let's do the Hydra. We'll get the 3-headed monsters out of the way. And then, so that's $2 for that one. And then let's do flour for our $1. All of that in there, and I just smeared all of that on my hands. Yay! All right. So my alter ego is Wonder Woman / Diana Prince. So I thought I did really well today for my first time going through here. So this is Mythic Savings from Financial Dreams with Christine. She has so many fun box challenges. I did a bunch of them last year and I loved them. So I think what I'm going to do with this one, just so it doesn't make my binder really poofy, I'm just going to stick those there. And I know these are done. And then I'll leave my picture there. Let's do that. All right. And that is it. We'll do a quest next time. And that is, oh my God, that's a 20-minute video, everybody. Between my little box challenge and my magic school, would you rather? So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. And tomorrow I will have my live. Please come and say hi. I would love to talk to you there. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And until next time, take care. Bye.